And here we are wrapping up this Audi Exclusive Mocha Latte 2023 RS6. This is factory paint, but it's got a Stealth XPEL PPF wrap over it, so it's a film to make it look like it's flat, but it keeps the paint preserved. The owner of this RS6 has others, and he picked it up. This one is a replacement for a Raptor. He wanted to have a little bit more fun driving a car and being closer to the ground, so we lifted this thing 3 inches. We rated the factory Audi parts bin. We found some shocks and air struts that would allow us for a little bit more travel. We also downsized the brakes so we could run an 18-inch wheel on the car, also using factory parts. I got RS calipers and disc on the car, so it's all drilled, nice and uniform all the way around. It's a 31-inch tire combination, BFGs with the Forgeline wheel. Not only does this RS6 look good, it's also fast. These all-terrains like to light themselves up thanks to the Unitronic Stage 1 engine software. We've got CSF intercoolers on this car, as well as BMC air filter upgrade. Unitronic software is awesome. They've got 91 and 93 octane files, so this car could be a monster depending on which fuel is being used. We had a few custom touches added. You can see the Baja Designs laser light bar, and there's an Onyx 6 bar above it for a nice crisp white. We've also got some custom skid plates underneath for the engine, transmission, and radiator, and some pretty darn thick aluminum, so there's not really much that could penetrate and kind of give this car a hard time. It's a full Audi exclusive interior, so you've got the white Alcantara, black leather, all the white stitching. You've got white on the seats. There's tons and tons of custom stuff, all through Audi Exclusive. We couldn't let this RS6 leave without sounding like a proper V8, so it got an Akrapovic titanium exhaust system. Also got a Stealth hitch on the back as well, so it could tow any random fun stuff. But if you're looking to have some more fun with your RS6 and turn it into a monster, or just do something a little bit different, drop us an email, info@pacificgerman.com, and we'll be happy to help you out.